Hi, this is Angela Payette, and this is the page I created for the Central Coast Humane Society. They are not your typical humane society because their goal is not to adopt out pets, but they capture feral cats and have them spay or neutered so that they don't reproduce within our communities. They also offer assistance to people who cannot afford their pet care needs and have hit financial burden in that process and need some assistance. So that's what the Central Coast Humane Society does here in Newport, Oregon. They are often confused with the Humane Society, which is why at the beginning I have put that we're not a brick and mortar cat adoption agency. They do not adopt out uh, cats unless they have captured feral babies that can be tamed. So it's not what they do. So I wanted to make that very clear at the beginning of the page. One thing the president of the organization did not want was pictures of animals that looked like they had were house pets, because a lot of the ferals have a more rough, gruff look, and so when I chose the pictures, I kept that in mind. Here I have their mission statement, and that the Central Coast Humane Society is made up of 100% volunteers. No one gets paid for the work that they do, and almost all of the money goes right back into helping ferals within the community. So the call to action on the home page is to donate. Because we do not um, have the brick and mortar building and we're all volunteers, money goes right back into helping animals in our communities of Lincoln County. We help the entire county. So I have a donate button here that actually goes out to their donation page. And here is, again, one of the things that they do is help low-income pet owners who are faced with large vet bills. We try to help offset the cost of that. And then I put our contact info with send us a message. So on the home page, there's a lot of information that they could potentially just come here and learn about us in that one page. However, we also have the About Us section. So if somebody's interested in a little more information, this is actually a photo of a colony that Dawn takes care of in Lincoln County. This is actually in Lincoln City, which is just north of Newport, and they feed the animals there. So a little bit of description about us, and I have a link to our services page, the things that we do, and our board of directors. So under this tab, I also have our executive board. There are 5 of us on the executive board. This is Dawn, the president, and these are actually posts that were on our Facebook page, but I thought it was a great visual too of what each of us do in our story. So that's the board. We also have an e-newsletter that we just started back up. It was dormant for about a year. I have went back to the e-newsletters that are now run through Vertical Response. They had paper versions in PDF prior to this, and if given more time, I would probably insert them in here and with a little description on what each newsletter is, so that would help with the search engines finding more content on our pages. I also have a sign up for our e-newsletter link that when clicked will take you to the website where if you wanted to subscribe to our newsletter, you could do that. Our services talks about what we do, our cat adoption, or our cat spay and neuter program, and the traps that we offer. Now, we don't actually go out normally and trap animals, but we do give communities traps so that they can capture them. We tell them where they could take the pet to have it fixed, and then it needs to be released back into the community that it came out of. We also have the spay and neuter assistance, the veterinary offset, and medications like flea treatments available, and those are to low-income residents of Lincoln County. And we don't have someone manning the phone, so we have to just have people leave a number and then we'll call them back. So, and then on the contact us page, this is the actual office that we have, is just a van. Again, we don't have a brick and mortar building. We have here they can email, they can leave a message at this phone number, they can write for assistance, or they can contact us on our Facebook page, which is where we get a lot of our requests now. So I chose the pictures based off of the eye color. We live by the ocean, so this is a very good color for our area. I did link the Facebook page already because they have that currently. These two pages, according to the video that I heard, we'll be doing those at a later time. They don't work right now. However, everything else should be up and running except for those two buttons with the YouTube and Twitter. So everything else should be working. If not, that would be an error on my part, but I would appreciate it if you let me know and I'll be sure and fix it. But I hope you enjoy the website.